To set up an Amazon FBA seller account in 15 steps, follow this detailed guide for beginners. 1. Go to the Amazon FBA website and click on Sign In the top right corner. If you don't have an Amazon account, create one first. 2. Click on Start Selling and select Sell on Amazon option. 3. Enter your email address and password to sign in or create a new account. 4. Fill out your personal and business information, including your name, address, and phone number, and agree to the terms and conditions of selling on Amazon FBA by scrolling down and clicking on Continue. 5. Choose your selling plan based on the number of items you plan to sell each month. If you're a new seller, select Individual for up to 40 items per month, or Professional for more than 40 items per month. 6. Provide your payment and shipping information, including your bank account details and preferred shipping carrier. 7. Verify your email address and phone number by following the instructions sent to you. 8. Add your products by creating a new listing or importing them from another source. 9. Set your prices, including the retail price and any discounts or promotions. 10. Configure your shipping settings, including the weight and dimensions of your products, and choose your preferred shipping method and carrier service level, either Amazon's FBA or your own. 11. Configure your tax settings, including your sales tax and VAT rates, and provide your tax identification number. 12. Set up your inventory management system, including minimum and maximum stock levels, reorder points, and safety stock. 13. Configure your customer service settings, including your preferred communication method and response time. 14. Customize your seller profile, including your business name, logo, and product images. 15. Launch your products and start selling on Amazon FBA. Remember to regularly monitor your sales, inventory, and customer feedback, and make adjustments as needed to optimize your Amazon FBA business.